Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to use inversion color on Samsung mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first what you have to do is that you have to move on setting, then from here you can scroll down to on the down you are going to find the accessibility option. So you just move on to accessibility. After you have been moved on to accessibility, here you have to click on the visibility enhancement. This is the third option, visibility enhancement. So from down you are going to find the color inversion. So if you want to use it, no, you just click on this icon like this, and here the color inversion will be activated. Okay, so if you want to off, you just click on this icon again and it will be set off. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.